You once said that South Africa is not xenophobic. However, you feel like foreigners have too much freedom in this country.
Yeah, they have freedom that they don't even have in their own countries, especially the Zimbabweans and Nigerians. They are too loud, and they insult us all the time, and they're claiming benefits that they don't have in their own countries. These guys, when they come here, they should be scarce skills. We're not saying foreigners must not come to South Africa, but they must be legal. Foreigners started to come to South Africa during the discovery of gold, diamond. And even then, they came as Amakundwan. Because remember, blacks, South African blacks did not want to work in the mines. They did not actually want to work for a white man because the white man has taken land, the land that, belonged to them. Like my grandfather would not work, go ISCO. When ISCO took his land, like, what do? They go to
neighboring countries.